boys and girls. Leo wants to play another game with you today. Good morning. Okay, I'm going to say a word, and I want you to tell me the last sound in the word. For example, if I say rake, what's the last sound in rake? Okay, soak. What's the last sound in soak? Okay, boys and girls, you do it with Leo. Okay, everybody say it out loud. What's the last sound in pout? What's the last sound in face? What's the last sound in sob? What's the last sound in pour? What's the last sound in fact? What's the last sound in bean? What's the last sound in tool? What's the last sound in push? What's the last sound in beak? What's the last sound in took? What's the last sound in pull? Good job, boys and girls. What? He said you guys are so smart.